Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and a unicorn will grant you $50,000. It really works, try it. Okay, so today's video I have my little cousin Mia here. Her Instagram name is... What's your Instagram?
Mia 3A's _ Garza 3A's.
Go follow her. She's Instagram famous. Okay, so today's video, we were just gonna wax her beard, but then she was like, hey, while we're at it, you should wax yours too, because yours is really bad. I'm taking off my makeup from my upper lip, and she's testing out like every lip gloss that I own.
This is Carmex.
Who wants to go first? We'll rock, paper, scissors.
Okay. Pasar de tres.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Oh, damn it. Wait, I gotta think. Okay, you pick scissors, I pick paper. That means you're probably gonna pick paper again just to throw me off, or you might pick scissors again just to throw me off, or now you're gonna pick rock because I thought about it too much. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors. I knew it!
Okay, we got another one. Ready?
Wait, I have to think about it.
No, hurry up. No thinking.
Okay. Damn it! Okay. Are you gonna wax me?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay. Okay.
Is it ready?
Yeah, I think so. I'm gonna wear the unicorn.
Okay.
So we're using GG hemp wax.
Okay.
And hopefully, make sure you get all of the hairs.
Is it hot?
No. Okay.
Wait, don't. Just make your mouth normal. What?
This is the weirdest way anyone's ever applied wax on my face. So you're supposed to put it the direction of the hair and then rip it off the opposite way.
You're shaking a lot.
Shaking bacon syndrome.
Okay. Don't do that.
Okay.
Normal. And just relax.
You gotta pat it down and make sure you get all the hairs.
That's what I'm...
Like this. Like the Asians do. Oh! Okay, wait. I have to psych myself out. Okay, go. Wait!
Wait, you should probably face me.
Okay, do a countdown.
1, 2, 3.
Did you get it?
Some. So many more.
Oh my gosh.
These wax strips are kind of whack.
Thick. I have other ones too. Oh, fudge.
For the most part. There's so little, like, you know, like they're not long. They're little.
They're not long enough.
Yeah.
I hate that. Latinas will understand. You barely even have a mustache though. I don't think your hairs are gonna come out, but we'll do it anyway. Just go like this, like.
Like how?
Like.
Okay. I got it.
Mm-hmm.
Stop shaking.
I can't.
She doesn't know.
I know. Are you going through my pictures?
Yeah. Okay, I just did this little part. I'm gonna try this one.
That's a lot of wax for a little piece.
You have a lot of hair for a little piece.
Cathy! We're doing a get wax with Jax.
Don't I pull it? See? I don't think you pulled it off right.
Ow! You did not pull it off right!
Well, I got all the hairs. Look, I got all the hairs.
Let me see. Oh, wow, she did get all the hairs.
You look like Hitler, but opposite.
Comment below if you'd let Mia wax your face.
Okay.
Get ready with my honey, bitch.
Cut this one.
Where's the other dog? He's nicer. So
Which one is that?
this one's. Shout out to Ramen Tatsuya.
Is that how it is? Jurnee! Jurnee!
Hurry,
Did you see what she did?
Hurry, put your mouth normal. Don't put your mouth normal.
Oh, cricket.
Oh my god! I already know this one's gonna hurt. These strips hurt worse than the other ones.
Really? I feel like these get more though.
Yeah, they do. That's probably why. All right, your turn.
Okay.
All right. Payback time. Well, our maintenance guy is fixing the background.
This guy.
Hey, Jerry, go get me a soda.
What is this, Ariana?
Oh, yeah, Moonlight. I got it for Christmas.
By who?
From Josh.
Hey, that smells really good.
That one's Chanel. Yeah, that one's my favorite one. I wear it all
I
the
bought
time.
that from her. I bought that from her.
Yeah, Jurnee got me that one for Christmas. I don't know how she knew I wanted
It
it,
smells really good.
but I didn't want to buy it for myself because I thought it was too expensive, and then she got it for me.
Let me smell it.
All right, give me that beard. Okay, go like this. See, this is how you properly do
It
it.
smells amazing.
First, you background, now you're.
Are you gonna do this one or that one?
Yeah, this one.
Baby.
You have to go like this.
Ooh.
Yeah, I've lived longer. I've got my face waxed longer than you have.
Look, Winky, a taser.
Oh, give that to me.
Oh no. Okay, ready?
No, I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm scared.
It's gonna feel like a slap in the face. Like, remember when I used to slap you all the time and then your mom got mad at me?
No.
When she was little, it was literally like a meme. No one, and then me. Ah! Did you do it yourself?
Yeah.
You're brave. Let me see.
That was good.
That was good. Your hairs came out. All your hairs came out. Let me see. Get that piece right there.
Mhm.
You're lucky you're not that hairy. I'm super hairy, guys. In case you viewers at home didn't already know. All right, next side. Oh, she's sweet but a psycho.
I can't sing.
Who sings that song?
I don't know.
Weren't you in choir?
Mm-hmm. You know it's good.
True that. Okay, let me rip it off this time.
No, I'm scared.
No, it'll be fine. I'll do a countdown.
I don't like countdowns. Just rip it. Just rip it. Oh, it's a rip off. That's what it's called.
Ready?
Like
Wait,
a
no,
pitch
I got it.
Oh, I'm scared.
Move.
You're supposed to pull from here.
I know. Ready? Stop! No! One.
Oh.
I didn't get it because you kept moving.
Oh yeah, you kind of got some.
I didn't get these.
That's okay. I'll put those.
All right, guys. Well,
Imagine you're like, alright, that's it. You have like no eyebrows.
it cuts to us having no eyebrows. Imagine. That escalated quickly. All right, guys. So that's about all of the mustache that we got.
Yeah, this is makeup. It's way different.
I got some chin hairs going on, but I don't feel like doing all of that. So I hope you enjoyed this collab with my little cousin Mia. Her Instagram name is
Cut back to
Mia 3A's
_ Garza 3A's.
All right, well, we're just going to sign off on this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with a hairy friend. Adios!